Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be talking about this Oraimo all-in-one GaN charger, 65-watt GaN charger. It's the fastest charger you can get from Oraimo. This one will cost you 3,400 shillings, but you can get it cheaper if you use my discount code, which is my name Abuga, my second name. I'll also leave a link in the description. If you use that link, it will automatically give you that discount if you're in Nigeria or Kenya. But if you can't access the link for some reason, just use the discount code Abuga, which I leave up on this video, so that you can get it for cheaper. Yeah, this should work on most laptops, which accept up to 65 watts. And even more, by the way. For example, it can work on a MacBook Pro, the 16-inch, which requires more than 100 watts, but it will still be able to do it. But I recommend it to go for this only if you have the 14-inch MacBook Pro and below, and the MacBook Airs. This can fast charge those. I've tested it, it works. For my laptop, it takes up to 45 watts, so this one works perfectly. But the reason why I decided to buy this power brick, is it a power brick or a wall charger? The reason I decided to buy it wasn't for my laptop, it was for this uh, 27,000 mAh power bank, which I bought for my laptop in case there's a power outage. I can use this to charge my laptop. And by the way, it works on most laptops. It can output up to 100 watts. So if you need something for backup, if you work from home, you can get this. This one is 8,000 shillings. I'll also leave a link in the description. That discount code still works on this, so you can get it for cheaper. It accepts up to 100 watts input, so I got this 65 watts since this was the best option I could get from Oraimo. So and they work quite seamlessly. It has been serving me quite well for the past 1 year. Yeah, I've been using it for the past 1 year. I haven't done a video on this before. I've done a video on the power bank, by the way, which you can check out on the channel. I did a video on that, so you can see everything that you need to know about that power bank. You can use it on your laptop while you charge your other devices, maybe your phone, earbuds, and all that. Maybe you just confirm from the packaging. Let me just look at that. The first two ports will give you a maximum of 65 watts when used together, but when you use them with each other, you can get 45 and the other 27, 36. Yeah, those figures, you can play around with that, but I just recommend you just use them one at a time. Yeah, but the maximum you can get from each when used alone is 65 watts. And for the USB-A output, this one should be also be able to give you a maximum of 65 watts. Yeah, it should be able to give you a maximum of 65 watts when you're using that alone. I haven't had a cable that can, a type A cable that can handle that, confirm, but the others work quite well with that type C cable. I have even the cable that comes with this. Let me just show you. This 1 meter cable, C to C cable. This is, you can use it. I haven't used it still since I have others, so I've kept this as a spare, but it's a very high quality cable which can take up to 100 watts. Yeah, this one, yeah, is so you can use it for your laptops and any other high power devices. If you have a charger that can output 100 watts, this cable will still come in handy. It's an expensive cable, so you're getting a lot more for your money. Yeah, so as I said, I've been using this for my laptop and other devices, and it has been charging it without any issues, especially for this power bank, which I can fill up in just over an hour. Yeah, and it's not the maximum that it can take, by the way. So if you buy this power bank, make sure you get a charger like this one to help you with that. And the good thing about this one, as I've repeated in this video, this will also work with your laptop. And so if you're a MacBook owner, you'll notice that this is quite significantly smaller than your standard MacBook charger, so it will come in handy if you want something to move around with. So I'll try to put a picture or a video side by side so you can see how the size difference. And if you have the standard charger for other laptops which come with that bulky thing, that adapter there, this will replace all that. So you can even carry it in your pocket, by the way, with just a simple C to C cable. and you can be able to reduce whatever you have to carry around if you move around with your laptop. So I highly recommend this. I'll give it a 9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10 actually, since it does whatever it's supposed to do quite well. I know 3,400 shillings is quite on the expensive side, but I've been using it for a year and you can see it still looks as good as new. Maybe I've scratched off a few letters here and there, but it's because I use it daily. On most cases, it's usually plugged in, and then I have my laptop and my phone plugged in whenever I want to charge my phone, and many other things that I want to charge, the power bank that I showed you, and many other devices that I have around. It works quite well. And the good thing about this, the GaN technology that it has, it's smart enough to know, even if you connect a low power device like a smartwatch or earbuds, it will be able to detect that and give just exactly that. So you don't have to worry about damaging any of your low power devices if you get this. Yeah, so the packaging, this is the packaging. It's a very nice box. You can see I've been having it for over a year and it's still as good as new. Yeah, so I kept this because I knew I'll have to do a video one day. And so my recommendation of this comes after exactly 1 year, one full year. Actually, it's more than a year and around 2 months of use. Yeah, so I highly recommend this. Again, I leave a link in the description. That link should automatically give you a 5% discount. And in case you don't have access to the link, or you're watching this on a platform where you can click on a link, just go to oraimo.com, go to the chargers category, find this. It's called the 65 watt, a 65 watt all-in-one GaN charger. Yeah, it costs around 3,400 shillings at the time of recording this video. So once you get that at checkout, there'll be a box where you can put your discount code, the discount code or coupon code. Just enter the code Abuga, which is my second name. It will give you a 5% discount. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, or if you have any questions about it, let me know and I'll answer them as quickly as I can. And if you want to read a written review of this for more details, technical details, you can visit my website, brianabuga.com, which I'll also leave it in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.